Retronix has invested significantly in its laser reball facility. Here, a BGA can be reballed without using a reflow cycle. The spheres are reballed individually using a laser pulse that creates zero heat, in contrast to traditional methods which use a full reflow cycle to mass reflow the spheres. The process is completely repeatable with no risk of component damage due to thermal stress. See more at Retronix.com or contact sales@Retronix.com. Retronix, the world's #1 electronic component recovery company.